Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Vanessa here, for those of you who are new, and for those of you who are not, welcome back. On today's video, as you probably already know, listen guys, today we are doing a taste test. I don't know, honestly, why I have decided to do this again. Since the first time I tried these pea crackers, I hated them. Not hate, I really did not like them. Hate is a big word. I have new flavors, and I still have faith that there might be a flavor that I will like. I'm having faith here, okay? Look, I have these smaller bags of different flavors. Oh, okay. I don't know what it says, but here, basil, and then we have spicy. From another brand, we have Sailor Moon Girl with the fish head, and it says non-fried. So can we get a view here of this bag? I love these packaging, different packagings, and I love trying new things, junk food things. And then you can ask me why, but I have these two giant bags of, and that would have been horrible. And I'm scared I might be giving them away. I really hope not, but oh, for sure I'm giving these away because these are garlic, and maybe I'll try another one this time, see how it goes. Back over here. I also feel like I'm missing something. I think I'm gonna bring back my tie-dye sheet because I feel like something's missing behind me. So nervous. Uh-oh, my goodness. Start off with the basil. Let's open these up. They do smell like basil, but they also kind of smell like dog food. Which, they don't smell horrible. All right, let's try them. Let's try them. That was really weird. Does basil taste the same in other countries? I feel like at the back of my throat there's like this minty aftertaste, but otherwise it really does taste like basil, I guess. Let me try it again. Not the worst. Better than garlic. Not bad. All right, I'm gonna set these aside because I will probably maybe eat them later. I'll have another one. Now to the next one. These are the spicy ones. So let's try these. Why do I open it with the scissor? Because I'm a little OCD when it comes to certain things like this. Clean lines make me happy. Okay, spicy. Right. Let me show you the texture of them. This is what they look like. They don't smell horrible. They smell a little bit spicy. Not too spicy, but let's taste them. 3. You know what? These pea crackers have like an aftertaste that is just so not like the aftertaste. It's not the last taste, but like the middle taste. I don't know if that makes sense. So like the first initial bite is okay. The seasoning is pretty good. And then at the back of like your tongue, it's like a weird, like the bad taste of it. And then at the end, you're just kind of left with the, maybe I should try another one kind of taste. Not horrible, but would I pick them up if I found these on somewhere and I was on a road trip? Would I pick these up? Probably not. All right, let's try the next one, the fish head one. I really hope these don't taste like fish. Fish head people, look at how cute. I don't know what they say. Let's open these up then. Ooh, that is pungent. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it smells like. So many smells, but what is this? Is this sesame? Oh no, things on them. Let me try and show you guys. It has like these little flakes. They look like little sesame seeds. Oh man, I really wish I knew what I was tasting right now. And look at what they look like inside of here. They have like little fish shape. All right, let's just try them. Oh my word, that made me cry. Guys, no. Note to self, Vanessa, never eat these again. No offense to anyone that really does like these, but these are not for me. No. Oh my word. Honestly, okay, the texture is crunchy, which is fine, but it tastes like straight up fish food. Like, at first when it touches your tongue, it's a little sweet, and then it just turns into straight fish. I was not excited. Woo! Girl, not again. No. Ugh. Ugh. That was... That's gonna be for like a prank or something. I'll have somebody try that. Now, these are already the spicy ones that I already tried. And these are the original garlic ones. Original? I guess that's their original flavor, it's the garlic. Now that we're at it, I might as well try this again. Just because, why not, right? We're here already. We're trying weird things. I don't remember what this tastes like. I know I didn't like it, but after I just tried that really gross one, give me goosebumps. I'm gonna try these again. Of the same thing, of the pea chips. And I'm assuming they're garlic because they have a garlic thing here. Yep, nope. No. Or, you see, it's the last taste that leaves you thinking, like, did I like this right now or did I not like this right now? First, okay, then, I don't know. Out of these three, I'm going to probably say the spicy one is my favorite, but overall, not totally excited about these. But we have to try them. I mean, we don't have to, but I'm totally down to try different other ones, but those definitely not for me. I'll probably be giving them away. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit it, hit it. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments section, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye! My lights just fell.